In today's short demonstration video, we're going to look at how you can provide a self-service web page to quickly install software packages onto Windows servers using the Chocolatey package manager. This is another pre-built template provided with Resolve Actions and can be downloaded from the Resolve Automation Exchange as shown here on the screen now. This Resolve Actions self-service capability enables anyone, like your server ops or infrastructure staff, to input the Windows hostname or multiple server names in a comma delimited list, and then start typing in a package name to filter the available packages to install or update. The benefits are huge here. Instead of logging into each remote server to install a software package, Resolve Actions is going to install multiple packages onto multiple servers in parallel, saving considerable time. Now, by the way, this list of Choco packages here is auto-populated, and of course you could limit this to a different or specific repository. Finally, you can now choose to either install or upgrade this package or to uninstall it by clicking on the relevant button here, and Resolve Actions will execute the automation of this runbook. Okay, while that's running, let's take a quick look at the IT automation. This is Resolve's Automation Designer, and it's the first action task in this automation that's going to get the package information for the package that I selected. Now, this is needed later on in the automation to determine if this specific package requires a license or not, therefore requiring additional approval from someone else. Next, because I clicked on the install button, the path will flow this way and into the install mode section. This conditional expression here checks if the package requires a license, which we just obtained at the beginning of the automation, right? If the package requires a license, then you can get Resolve to send an approval email to a relevant person and wait until that email is responded to before the automation will continue. Because we may have specified multiple servers, Resolve will now enter into parallel execution mode and run the next task concurrently. This action task takes in the server hostname and the package and runs some PowerShell to install the relevant Choco package. The action task also handles the response from Choco, and if we have an error, then the flow will continue down this red path. Maybe we might want to create a new ticket for someone if that's the case. But if the package installs successfully, then the flow will go down this good or green path. Finally, in this workflow, the package installation date and time and status is written to a CSV file, maybe for reporting purposes, and that's the end. Don't forget, this is just a template, so feel free to customize this IT automation and workflow to meet your exact needs. You may want to do some pre-checks right at the beginning to ensure only the right people can install packages onto certain servers, etc. Maybe you want to automatically trigger this from a third-party tool, like your ITSM ticketing tool. Okay, now before I forget, let's go back to the self-service web page to check the installation status. Great, as expected, 7-zip has now been successfully installed onto this server. Thanks again for watching this short video. Goodbye.